thought be out to me could picture be picture near fit. But baby, I wish you a model and who you now channel. No makeup artist any around. I'll be any makeup. It's wet a picture near face around any effect. But problem can see about picture and say pimples when a new bar. Won't mean in pimples and also anchors the picture no who you see. And then away this year, you send ye pimples a free your models and him. Say pimples and a doors set then cry. Maybe throw easy way. I'll wait me a pimples no. Every model and him. Emma and him and yet is a cartoon. Emma and him and yet too smooth. My name is Kofi Pope from Atelier de Kofi Pope, and I'm back with another Photoshop tutorial. Without wasting much time, let's jump into Photoshop and start today's work.
Computer and chassis.
It is a Ciano, Yaba Photoshop, and I will share a workspace in so I will pictures me. Bako I am naming a fear, and a bako so I'm naming Akosia. The person use pictures me edit trail acquire ye pimples, a free your models and him. Into the edit can ye use a fear picture no. We show picture now, who say there is no makeup on your makeup and a natural face and a natural lips. And the picture no so any concept now we try no ebia you don't need a makeup. Unhi any panenim sa but pimples na woman no upese uyi free we share a fear anymore. Pimples when enim no en share dan ye stubborn. Enti no ye betimi use simple tools bit say blemish to patch to edie pimples na when enim no. Enti yemfa blemish to no any patch to no enyi pimples na ewo efia enemy. Enti first of all obe duplicate layer no because obe duplicate here obe copy of background layer no na fe we rename duplicated layer no layer na wo copy no person me rename layer 1 ne say clean blemish. Enti my name is clean blemish. Enti they see a layer we near dey be paper pimples no. Tesenium they be American no enti ye create layer no say ye person ye working on the image non-destructively. Ye perceive image na ye hu adwuma no. Ye work e wo copy no so sene ye mistake bia na copy no ye betimi delete na original image ni wo hwa ye betimi asan call back akofa ne asan aye adwuma na na ye no. But one ye ne sa na wo work wo original image no ho a wo ye mistake it means you have to delete the whole thing and probably maybe open the image again and start all over. And wintina aya very advisable say ube create duplicate layer and sound the air man. And this is no ya create duplicated layer no name no clean blemish. And first of all you best select blemish 2 into about 2 panel hono mo a no select blemish 2. We select blemish 2 now. We share image ni so we say blemish 2 no it's a circle. Quick tip, the blemish 2 and the patch 2 works almost the same. But difference a woman is blemish 2 no for small spots and a patch 2 no for big blemishes. Small spots no ewe efie anim no na me de blemish 2 no ebe clean it into better tackle small blemish no ewe efie anim no. Your blemish ni bi also because of the colors in the image no in order for you to see where those hidden blemishes are no, you create a check layer. Into beba layer side or no aba adjustment layers. No create black and white adjustment layer. You create black and white adjustment layer. It is said in Photoshop say every skin is a combination of red and yellow, and in between red and yellow there is orange. You be reduce your red or black and white, or you be reducing it to -90. Ni ye be yellow to 220. Send ye ebeme ye hu blemish na ewo efie nim ye no. Then you go back to the clean blemish layer and continue cleaning. Enti ti send me kan o the blemish no ebe cleaning small spots no ewo efie nim no. Blemish 2 a shortcut our keyboard no so J into umia J ebe select blemish 2 no ama na fe odi apepa nneɛma bi a ɛwɔ afie animu a ompe. Who say big spots no ana pimples na ɛwɔ n'anim no memfa blemish tool ne empepa ɛyɛ nketwa na mede pepa sesia no dum check ne visibility no na hwɛ deɛ wayɛ so far me dum check ne visibility na deɛ mayɛ so far ni enti sesia no who say most of the pimples is gone hwɛ ne forehead and then the right cheek there was some blemishes bi wɔ hɔ no a ɛno no mede patch tool ne bɛyi enti obe select patch 2 ewo 2 panel honum patch 2 no so eye under blemish 2 no so shortcut ej enti obe right click into obe right click ewo blemish 2 no so obe hu say other 2 no I work blemish 2 nasem ebeba na in those tools no obe hu patch 2 no was selected enti sesi no select patch 2 na obe draw around the blemish draw around the blemish. Draw around the blemish now release ya. Ebe dane selection. Dane selection ya. Ushe nipe biya ni mwa say spot nkiti bi wo nipa na nimu nti obehwe baabi a spot no pattern no eko. Na fe ode selection no edi akire. Enti uhwe ha no ma pattern no eba form. Enti me movie blemish no edi aba form. Ni me release so eko soro na no so me release anu so afiyo. Na fe waba ne forehead no the forehead and also either up or down. Then also we release a hustle up, no we release. Into we say large blemishes no. O the patch 2 ne epipa very easy. Obi beka say any estimate me the patch 2 no apipa even small spots. A bit me apipa small spots. But the more you use the patch 2 no, 1 year careful obe temper with the texture of the image. Inti me advice say o the blemish tool ni be di kan apepa small spot no. O the paper small spot ni we are. Na fe when hunu clearly where the large spots are, then afi where you use patch tool no e the apepa. Inti o share efia anima. I think the blemish cleaning is quite better. Inti I think baby edu no okay mami. So right now I will either off the check layer or probably delete the check layer because I know boa ama we hunu baby a pimples ni wo opipa pimples ni we a eno anadwuma a ende enti they see I will share a fear picture now before and after who say your paper pimples no without tempering with the texture of the image, neither did we temper with the color of the image. In Siciano, this is a quick way to clean pimples which are not so stubborn on a model's face. In Siciano, we first sample no, which is a fair sample, and we are on the second one, which is Akosia sample no. And I will share Akosia sample now, share the forehead now. Who say pimples no, aboa no bebre ewo Akosia forehead honum. So I'm coming to teach you a simple way. I will bet me a sa pimples ni nyina, but we will sacrifice texture for cleaning all those pimples. And since we are using Photoshop no, there is always a way out. And to see I sacrifice texture no near the pimples ni free move at this end. You bet me I use another procedure to bring back our texture in the image. So let's go ahead and let's take away this stubborn pimples. So first of all, we be duplicate background layer no. Because we be duplicate, I be copy background layer no. No one name no clean blemish. After we name the clean blemish ni we are, you convert the clean blemish to a smart object. Into be right click it, clean blemish layer no so. Now if you waba convert to smart object. Into umia convert to smart object now. Elodi we have say box B abeda who clean blemish thumbnail no so box ne be that's why nature say I convert it to smart object. Now if you waba top one waba image, no waba adjustment, no waba invert. Oba invert as say na image ni be. Now if you waba layer side honum, oba layer side one blend mode no. to vivid light into be send free normal to vivid light. Send free normal to vivid light we na obenya. Na fi we image ni say about filter. No about other. No about high pass. Filter other high pass. Nti aha no no odi radius ne be down. Na fi we push radius no forward to a point I will be say unhu pimples ni biem. To a point I will say unhu pimples ni biem. It mean fan say 30 year okay mama per the image no 30 year okay mama. Udi any bit me aye different per the image now we ye wo adwuma no. Nti me image we no 30 year okay mama. Nti se na say na be ye. I was say anim u picture na enemy eye ti say blur. Nti se o picture ni ye say a obeba layer side or no one back down. Ubehu rectangle be a circle wom. Ubehu rectangle be a circle wom. Ube mia rectangle no so. Umia rectangle no so ubehu say clean blemish no no. Some white box be and a white thumbnail be abanchen. White thumbnail ne banchen and we mia control I. Umia control I white no ebe than black. Na fe we image no akọ back to its original state. Enti sa ade na eye black no in Photoshop your friend no layer mask. I will do a whole video explaining how layer mask work. So for now no that ade na you converting from white to black no your friend a layer mask. And what the layer mask simply does is it hides and reveal things in Photoshop. This here now you're inverting the black no. We want to brush on the pimples with our brush tool. We want to brush on the pimples with our brush tool. Inti se an obe select o brush tool. Ne shortcut A B our keyboard no so. O select o brush tool la. No one make sure say o foreground color white. No one make sure say opacity ni flow 100. Na fe baby a pimples no no. Wa start a brush those side. Ti baby a pimples ni wo bia no. No wa brush honum. Baby a pimples wo bia no wa brush ho. We are sacrificing the skin texture to clean the stubborn pimples. The good news is that frequency separation ebetime the texture na ebi aba. There is always a way out in Photoshop. Inti baby Amedu, I think it has done a good job by cleaning all the stubborn pimples for you to be sure say what getting rid of any pimples you can create another check layer here. Now fe you create check layer na who say most of the pimples is gone. And one thing is, after cleaning the stubborn pimples you can now go back and use your patch tool and blemish tool to clean those small ones. And before you can do that with this particular image you have to off the visibility of the check layer. You create an all merge layer by clicking Shift Alt Control E. Shift Alt Control E. Then to umia Shift Alt Control E at the same time. We say a create all merge layer. Then you on the visibility of your check layer again. And this time around, we use a blemish tool and the paper spot I think it's a good image now. I think it's a good image. Intermediate check layer now. So this is what I have now. All the pimples is gone from Akosia's face. So this is before and after. Before and after. Inti aha near day and also a lesson ABC. If you are new on my channel, I would like you to subscribe because We have a lot of things to learn, and this is the only channel you can get Photoshop being explained in its simplest form and also in your local language, which is Twi. Click on the notification bell so that if I post a video every Friday, you get the notification and you join the class. Like I always say, Photoshop is fun, no cause for alarm. See you in my next tutorial.